Good day. We are the Group 4A, and today we will be presenting our research entitled Academic Stress on the Eating Behavior of Nursing Students. The main purpose of the study is to examine the relationship between academic stress and the eating behavior of nursing students at the University of St. Casal during the academic year 2025 to 2026. Specifically, this study aims to determine how academic demands and stress affect students' meal patterns, food choices, and overall eating habits. Furthermore, the findings of the study may help in developing wellness programs and interventions that can promote healthier coping strategies, proper nutrition, and overall well-being among nursing students.
For the research design, our study used a quantitative descriptive correlation design. This design was used because researchers wanted to describe the demographic profile, level of academic stress, and eating behavior in nursing students, as well as determine if there is a significant relationship between academic stress and eating behavior. The study utilized standardized questionnaires, specifically Academic Stress Scale and Adult Eating Behavior Questionnaire, or EABQ, to gather numerical data that were statistically analyzed. So, moving on to the study sample, the participants of the study were 300 nursing students officially enrolled in the Bachelor of Science in Nursing program during the academic year 2025-2026. The respondents were selected using stratified random sampling to ensure fair representation from first year to fourth year students. Out of the 300 respondents, 95 from level 1, 80 from level 2, 70 from level 3, and 55 from level 4. Most of the respondents were female and belonged to the age group of 19 to 20 years.
So up next, both instruments demonstrated high internal consistency, indicating that they are reliable tools for the study. The academic stress scale achieved a Cronbach's alpha score of 0.882, while the adult eating behavior questionnaire yielded a similar result of 0.886 result. So these good reliability ratings confirm that the items within each scale consistently and accurately measure the respective constructs of stress and eating behavior.
For the results and discussion, Table 5 presents the demographic profile of the 300 nursing students respondents. In terms of age, the majority are 19 to 20 years old with 152 respondents, followed by 21 to 22 years old with 112 respondents. Meanwhile, 25 respondents are aged 17 to 18 years old, and only 11 respondents belong to 23 to 24 years old and above. This shows that most respondents are in early adulthood where academic stress may increase.
So in our study of nursing students, we found that academic stress levels are currently sitting at a moderate level. With an overall score of 3.32, this pressure is felt most heavily in the cognitive dimension, where students deal with constant worry about grades and passing exams, while students also experience physical fatigue and emotional tension. The data shows they are remarkably resilient, maintaining a balanced stress level despite heavy demands of the nursing curriculum. The data also reveals an overall mean score of 3.48, which falls under the poor category for eating behaviors. So the 5 components are distributed relatively evenly, with cravings for sweet at 20.5%, fast food consumption at 20.2%, emerging as the most dominant contributors to these poor scores. So these are followed closely by irregular meal timing at 19.9%, replacing meals with snacks at 19.7%, and caffeinated beverages with 19.6%, indicating that the participants' poor dietary habits are driven by a combination of unhealthy food choices and inconsistent eating patterns.
This study found that nursing students experience moderate academic stress and generally showed poor eating behaviors, such as skipping meals, eating fast food, drinking caffeinated beverage, and emotional eating. The main causes of stress were academic workload, fear of failing, and concerns about future careers. However, this study revealed that there was no significant relationship between academic stress and eating behavior, meaning that stress alone does not directly affect students' eating habits. Other factors like lifestyle, coping mechanisms, emotional regulation, and environment may also influence their behavior. Overall, the findings highlight the need for nursing schools to promote stress management, healthy eating, and overall wellness programs to better support students' physical and emotional health.